Hello, hi dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss transformations, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. In this concept, in this topic, we are in exercise 6F, question number 9, Roman letter 2. This question we are going to discuss now. Let us have a discussion the question. If a plus b plus c plus d equal to 2 pi, then prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c plus cos 2d equal to 4 times of cos of a plus b, cos of a plus c into cos of a plus d. That we have to prove that. So now, given condition you have to write it. What is the given condition? Given that a plus b plus c equal a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 2 pi. After that, consider LHS. What is that LHS here? The LHS value is cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c plus cos 2d. So for this, what we have to do, for first two terms you have to apply cos c plus cos d. For next two terms also cos d plus cos d. So which is equal to, what is cos c plus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. We have the formula, we have to write it. This formula we are going to apply now by applying the concept of cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So by using this formula, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c plus cos 2d. So for these 2 cos c plus cos d we are applying 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2a plus 2b by 2. So 2 take common, directly I am writing a plus b. 2a plus 2b divided by 2. So 2 take common in the numerator. 2 times of a plus b by 2, 2 to get cancelled. Now, cos of c minus d by 2. So 2a minus 2b by 2 means a minus b. Similarly, cos 2c plus cos 2d, which is equal to 2 cos 2c plus 2d by 2 means c plus d into cos c minus d will come. After reaching of this step, c plus d in terms of a plus b, we have to write it. See how we are going to write it now. A plus b plus c plus d is equal to 2 pi. So this is the given value. So from this, what I am going to do is, a plus b is equal to 2 pi minus of c plus d. That c plus d I am taking into this side. After that, you can take that cos on both sides. So taking cos on both sides, cos of a plus b is equal to cos of 2 pi minus a plus c plus d. So cos of 2 pi minus theta is cos theta. So it will become cos c plus d. So wherever cos of a plus b is there, we have to write cos of c plus d when the condition is a plus b plus c plus d is 2 pi. So now in place of cos a plus b, we have to replace with cos, wherever cos c plus d is there, you can write it as cos of a plus b now. So which is equal to 2 into cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus 2 into, in place of cos of c plus d, cos of a plus b, you have to write it into cos of c minus d, which is equal to, from these two, 2 into cos of a plus b take common. 2 into cos of a plus b take common. So the remaining terms, cos of a minus b plus cos of c minus d After that, again you have to apply cos C plus cos D for this bracket value. So 2 into cos of A plus B into, this is C, this is D now. So 2 cos C plus D by 2. That means A minus B plus C minus D divided by 2 into cos A minus B minus C plus D divided by 2. After that, 2 into cos of A plus B into 2 into cos of A plus C minus of B plus D divided by 2 into cos of A plus D minus of B plus C divided by 2. Here, 2 times of cos of A plus B into 2 times of cos of, in place of B plus D. See here, A plus B plus C plus D equal to 2 pi now. So from here, B plus D, if you take out separate term, B plus D is equal to 2 pi minus A minus B, minus A minus C from this. Similarly, B plus C also you can write it, B plus C in terms of A and D. B plus C is equal to, from here B plus C equal to AD, we are taking this side, 2 pi minus A minus D. So cos of A plus C minus B plus D means minus 2 pi plus A plus C divided by 2. I think everyone understand this one. Next, cos of A plus D minus of B plus C. So minus 2 pi minus of minus A plus plus D divided by 2. Now take LCM, which is equal to 2 times of cos of A plus B into 2 times of cos of 2 times of A plus C minus pi divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Cos of, even here also, A plus D plus A plus D, 2 times of A plus D. So 2 times of A plus D minus pi divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled. So 2 2s are 4 into cos of A plus B into cos of A plus C minus pi. Cos of minus theta equal to, we know that, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So what we are doing is, here we are interchanging these two. So cos of pi minus A plus C also we can write it. We are taking common minus. Anyway, if you take common minus, cos of pi minus theta is cos theta only. So even here also we can write it like this. Cos of pi minus of A plus D. So which is equal to 4 into cos of A plus B. Cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. That also remember, cos of pi minus theta equal to minus cos theta. So cos of pi minus of A plus C is minus cos of A plus C into cos of pi minus A plus D is minus cos of A plus D. So which is equal to, minus into minus is plus, 4 times of cos of A plus B into cos of A plus C into cos of A plus D. Hence result. This is the required result. We need to prove that. We'll move to the next question. The next question. If A plus B plus C plus D next question. if a plus b plus c plus d equal to 2 pi, then prove that sin a minus sin b plus sin c minus sin d equal to minus 4 sin of a plus c by 2 cos of a plus b by 2 cos of a plus d by 2. That we have to prove that. See, listen here. In this LHS, if you observe that, already given it is a plus b plus c plus d equal to 2 pi. First given condition, given that a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 2 pi. From this, calculate first LHS, or write it LHS. Sin A minus sin B plus sin C minus sin D. So now sin A plus sin C minus take common sin B plus sin D. For first two terms, sin C plus sin D formula you can apply. We know that sin C plus sin D formula I am writing now. Sin C plus sin D equal to 2 cos, so 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. This is the formula we have to apply. So now it will become 2 sin a plus c by 2 cos a minus c by 2 minus, again sin c plus sin d, same formula you can apply, but cd values will be different, b and d. 2 sin b plus d divided by 2 into cos b minus d divided by 2. After that, in this sin of a plus c by 2 is there in the RHS. So we know that a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 2 pi. From that I want b plus d by d value. So b plus d is equal to 2 pi minus of a plus c. So now b plus d by 2 I want. So b plus d by 2 means 2 pi by 2 is pi minus a plus c by 2. So sin of b plus d by 2, take common sign, so both sides take common, take sin. Sin of b plus d by 2, sin of pi minus a plus c by 2. Sin of pi minus theta is sin theta. So now sin of a plus c by 2, wherever sin of b plus d by 2 is there, you can write it as sin of a plus c by 2. So now in this second term, sin of b plus d by 2, we can write it as sin of a plus c by 2. So 2 into sin of a plus c by 2 into cos of a minus c by 2 minus 2 into, in place of sin of b plus d by 2, sin of a plus c by 2, we can write it since this value, into cos of b minus d divided by 2. Now take common 2 sin of a plus c by 2. So if you take common sin of a plus c by 2 from these two terms, we will get cos of a minus c by 2 means a by 2 minus c by 2 minus cos of b by 2 minus d by 2. After that, again cos c minus cos d. You have to write the formula for cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. This is the formula for that. So in place of c and d, a by 2 minus c by 2 and b by 2 minus d by 2. So which is equal to now 2 into sin of a plus c by 2 minus 2 into sin c plus d by 2 sin c plus d by 2, that means this is completely c, this is completely d. So a by 2 minus c by 2 plus b by 2 minus d by 2 whole divided by 2. C plus d by 2 is over. Now sine of c minus d by 2. So a by 2 minus c by 2 minus b by 2 plus d by 2 whole divided by 2. So which is equal to 2 into sine of a plus c by 2 into minus 2 into sine of, take LCM. So it will become a plus b minus of c plus d divided by 2. Sorry, 2 by 2 means it will become 4. Sine of a plus d minus of b plus c divided by 2 by 2. That means divided by 4. Now according to the RHS you have to get the values. So in RHS observe that sine of a plus c by 2. It is already we got it, sine of a plus c by 2. So next we want to get cos of a plus b by 2 and cos of a plus d by 2. A plus b and a by a plus d. These values we need to get that. See here a plus b is there as well as a plus d is also there. So c plus d in terms of a plus b, b plus c in terms of a plus d we want to write it. See how we are going to write is c plus d in terms of a plus b. Since we have a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 2 pi, I want c plus d value. So c plus d only we can take that side. A plus b minus 2 pi, the 2 pi I am taking here. C plus d I am taking into this side, minus of c plus d. I think everyone understand here. In place of minus of c plus d, you have to replace with a plus b minus 2 pi. Similarly, a plus d in terms of b plus c. So b plus c also here. A plus d is minus 2 pi. The 2 pi we are taking here. And b plus c we are taking here. Minus of b plus c. So in place of minus c plus d, we can write it as a plus b minus 2 pi. In place of minus of b plus c, you have to write a plus d minus 2 pi. So it will become 2 into sine of a plus c by 2 minus 2 into sine of a plus b minus of c plus d by 2, that means a plus b minus 2 pi whole divided by 4 into sine of a plus d minus of b plus c, we can write it as a plus d minus 2 pi divided by 4. So 2 into sine of a plus c by 2 minus 2 into sine of a plus b plus a plus b, 2 times of a plus b by 4. So 2 times of a plus b divided by 4 minus 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2. Similarly, sine of a plus d plus a plus d, 2 times of a plus d divided by 4 minus 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, even 2 ones are 2 twos are. In the next step, 2 times of sine of a plus c by 2 minus 2 into, here what I am going to do is sine of, I am interchanging these two values. So pi by 2 minus I am taking common, a plus b by 4. Similarly, sine of, here also minus take common, pi by 2 minus a plus d by 2. Even here also by 2. We know that sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. And sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So 2 into sine of a plus c by 2 minus 2 into sine of minus theta minus sine of pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2 sine of minus of, so minus sine of pi by 2 minus a plus d by 2. So minus into minus plus, here also minus. So 2 into sine of a plus c by 2 minus into minus is plus. So 2 into sine of pi by 2 minus theta cos of a plus b by 2 into minus sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos of a plus d by 2. So last step, which is equal to 2 into 2 4 into minus 4 sine of a plus c by 2 into cos of a plus d by 2 into cos of a plus d by 2, which is required RHS. Once again I will show that complete answer. Only thing is you learn the formulas, how to apply, where to apply. By practicing it will come. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please share and support and subscribe to my YouTube channel Maths with Panindra. Thank you all.